Welcome back to the Venom Workshop. So today we're going to be doing a little bit of videos on the X18 R200cc here. This thing's a machine. It's so much fun, but it got a little bit of damage, so it's going to have to be fixed. I'm going to do a bunch of videos on it. It's got like a bent down handlebar really bad on this side. This one needs to be straightened out, which isn't bad, but this one's bad, so I'm going to have to straighten it out. I'm gonna have to change the foot peg assembly here. Got shattered off, but I'm gonna do some fairing videos too. Some fairings get cracked and broke, but I'm gonna do them one video at a time. And the first video I'm gonna do today is how to fix a broken kickstand. You'll see the kickstand is broken there, and then I have my mallet just holding the bike up. So this time you're going to need a welder. It's the only way to fix it. You'll see the metal's broken right there, and it can happen. Stuff can happen where a kickstand breaks. So I'll show you real quick how to fix it, or if you're going to take it into a welder, you can have it get it fixed type thing. But yeah, so we're going to get started on that. I'm just going to get my camera up, and I'm going to bang this back into place where I want it to be, and then I'm going to weld it up. And it won't take much to weld it. You could actually buy the welder to do this. It's not expensive. I just have a little tiny $200 Amazon welder. It doesn't have to be anything great, but it will take care of what I need to take care of here. So I'm going to go ahead and get it set up, and I'll see you over there. Okay, so first I'm going to do is put my kickstand back there. I'm going to try to put it back into place where it belongs to the best I can. I'm going to tap it a little bit. There we go. And we see it's pretty well where I want it to be back there again. So now I'm going to prop the bike back up with my hammer so I can weld it. So, let's see. I want to make sure it doesn't move. Okay. I'm going to want to put my ground on. Right on the kickstand. And I'm going to put my gloves on so I don't turn my hand to tasty tenders. And then we're going to weld. I didn't even get any penetration on that. Let's try this one. A little better. Not much penetration, but a little. I don't like the way the wire's feeding out of that. Yoink. See if that works. Yeah, that's where I want it. Just not welded enough yet. So I'm going to go ahead and keep welding that. I'm going to fix my wire feed here because it's not coming out right. And I'm going to keep welding. Oh, I want to put a ground on. that's the battery box. I'm gonna put something between that. I don't want to melt that either. All right, well, I'm gonna keep doing this and I will be right back. Here we go. So I've got it now down on the kickstand. I've rested it a few times, bounced it around, make sure it'll hold, and it's perfect. So that's pretty well it. You just have to tap weld across. I'm probably gonna clean that up a little bit and weld it better, but that's it, guys. That's how you weld your kickstand back on so it doesn't fall off anymore.